Hello. Okay, I'll be demonstrating how to modify a drill bit for acrylic drilling. Before he's going to show you guys how to do it. So before you start with your fire, let's take a look at the tip. So if you see that, I've got a positive or a negative rake right now. By the negative rake, what I mean by that is the rake right there is actually ahead of the web. So what this will do is when the drill is drilling, it's going to want to lift and chip away at the plastic. We got to get rid of that rake there, where Tafari's finger is, and make it flat. So it does more of a scraping action when it's drilling through plexiglass. So I'll show you how you do it on the bench grinder here. Before you use the bench grinder, make sure you have your passport before you're using the bench grinder. Yeah, go ahead, Tafari.
First, we gotta give ourselves a 90 degrees. Degrees.
Okay, and now let's get rid of that rake.
So that's one side.
Okay. All right, so there it is. Oh, zoom in. Okay, and there we are. So we got no negative rake. And there you are. That's how you modify a drill bit for cutting plexiglass. Thank you for viewing.